Where is the trail? Aya.
Hi.
Look at that. Parang green screen. Medyo madalas people. Oh. Saglit pa lang kami pero pagod na kami kasi may hina kami. We found a chair.
Ang itsura.
Hi, it's my vlog.
Hello.
Hello.
It's our first stop. Oh,
First.
hindi pa nakikita. Yan. Holding down on top.
Wag! Let me show you kung ano yung pinapakita niya.
Wag! No!
Ah,
That's
wag
what you call...
Back on track. Imnida. Ang dulas doon, sobra.
Madaming
There's another vlogger on the road. On the trail. Another obstacle. The ice kasi it's madulas talaga. Dito tayo sa gilid. So pretty. We're here. Wait pa. That is, ano nga to? Kalamalca Lake.
Yeah.
Yep.
This is a beautiful Kalamalca Lake. Okay. Ayun o.
Wow, it's so pretty. We are sitting down here. Ang ganda ng view. Look at that.
Trek lang. Type mo, trek.
Looks like green screen.
Oh!
It's time to go home. Meron na akong stick kasi ang dulas po ba.
Yeah.
Tain ng mga yelo talaga.
Oh my gosh.
Woo! We made it back! Yes! Tapos na. Buhay pa.